In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export bookmarks from Microsoft Edge. If you're moving to a new computer, switching browsers, or just want a backup, exporting your bookmarks, called favorites in Edge, is quick and reliable. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what each option means, and share a few simple tips to keep things organized. Start by opening Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is up, look toward the top of the window near the address bar for the favorites icon. It looks like a star with 3 horizontal lines. This is your hub for managing everything you've saved. If your toolbar looks a little different, don't worry. Edge occasionally updates its design. The icon may be pinned next to the address bar, or you might see it inside the toolbar menu. The star with 3 lines is the one you want. When you click that icon, a Favorites panel or pop-up menu appears. At the top of this panel, you'll see a button with 3 horizontal dots. That menu holds your management options. Click those 3 dots to open the menu. From the options that appear, choose Export Favorites. This tells Edge to bundle your bookmarks into a single file you can store or move elsewhere. It's especially helpful if you're planning to import your bookmarks into another browser later, because most browsers understand the export format Edge uses. Right after you choose Export Favorites, your computer will open a save window. Edge will create a file with a default name like favorites.html. That .html part is important. It means the file is a standard portable bookmarks format that almost any browser can read. Pick a location you'll remember, such as your desktop, documents folder, or an external USB drive if you want a physical backup. If you prefer, you can rename the file to something more descriptive, like Edge Favorites Backup, while keeping the .html extension. When you're ready, click Save. That's it. Your bookmarks are now exported. You've created a single file that contains your folders, links, and structure, ready to be imported elsewhere or stored as a backup. Keep this file somewhere safe and consider saving an extra copy in cloud storage if you want an additional layer of protection. Thanks for following along. If you found this helpful, you now have a clean, straightforward way to safeguard your browsing setup or move it to a new device, all in just a few clicks.